So if you have cats, I'm going to show you something that's about to make them super happy. This is the Veecon store cat water fountain. I've partnered with them to bring you this video because my cats are in love. So I am unboxing it, and my thing that I always do is, can I put it together without the instructions? And yes, you can. This is so easy and simple to put together, and you can just follow along using my video. That's the water filter right there. You're just going to pop it on, basically plug it in, fill it with water, and watch it go. Now, I used to have a bowl for my cats, but I just noticed after a while they didn't like the water in the bowl. I don't know if it got old or stale to them. I'm not for sure. So they always wanted to drink out of the sink. Honestly, having this cat water fountain has been a huge game changer. They get filtered water, and you can fill it up once to the max line, and it works basically for 7 days without you having to refill it. All of my cats are liking it. I don't have to run water out of the sink anymore. So check out the Veecon page on Amazon.